Welcome to Abesar channel. Information is wealth.
Okay, today's we learn conversion from decimal to binary. Conversion from decimal to binary. So, for example, let me take an example here. Okay, to better understand, I am taking single digit here, that is decimal number, like 9 I am taking, and base is 10. By this we can understand that this is a decimal number. This number we have to convert into binary number. Okay, so two methods we have to conversion from decimal to binary. We will go with the method 1. Okay, in this simply divide 9 with the 2. Okay, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, remainder will be 1, so I am writing that one here. Right, next 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, remainder will be 0, I am writing that one. Next 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, remainder will be 0. Right, 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, what we have here 1, so that one I am taking as a remainder. So finally what we get, this number. First this one you write 0, then this one, sorry, then this and that. So like this we converted decimal number 9 to binary. This is the method 1. We will go with the method 2. So in this what you have to do, you have to write squares, value of 2, 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 4. 2 to the power of 0 means it is 1, 2 to the power of 1 means it's 2, 2 to the power of 2 means it's a 4, 2 to the power of 3 means 8, 2 to the power of 4 means it's 16. So which value we have? We have 9. Okay, this 9 we have to convert into binary. So in this method 2, what we have to do, we have to find which is nearest and lowest value to 9. See, 16, it is higher than 9, so we are not dealing with that. Simply go to next one, that is 8, it is nearest and smallest to 9, so this one we are taking, so you make it as a 1 here. Okay, so 9 we have taken 8, means we subtracted 1, 9 minus 8, what we have? 1. Okay, so next value we have 4. We don't need 4, why? Because only we need 1, so instead of here you write 0, and next digit we have 2, but we want only 1, so we don't want 2 also, so make it as a 0, and finally we found 1, we want that one, so you write on that one. So finally we got conversion 9, which is a decimal number, to 1001. Okay, this is we converted from decimal to binary. Next example I am taking, example 2. This time I am taking 37, and we want this is a decimal number, we want to convert to binary. Same procedure, two methods we can follow. Method 1, 37 divided by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, remainder will be 1, 2 9s are 18, remainder will be 0, 2 4s are 8, remainder will be 1, 2 2s are 4, remainder will be 0, 2 1s are 2, remainder will be 0, 2 zeros are 0, remainder will be 1. So we write down this number from bottom to top. 1 0 0 1 0 1. So now we converted decimal number 37 to binary in method 1. Now we will go to the method 2. Same number, but method 2 we are applying here. So first you have to write 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 3, 4, 2 to the power of 5, 2 to the power of 6. We know 2 to the power of 0 means 1, 2 to the power of 1 2, 2 to the power of 2 4, 2 to the power of 3 8, 2 to the 4 16, 2 to the power of 5 is 32, 2 to the power of 6 is 64. What value we have? We have 37. So first digit will be 64 here, but it is larger, we don't take this one, we will go with the second one, that is 32. It is near to and lowest to 37, so I am taking this one. What you have to do here, you subtract that value from 37. 37 minus 32, it's 5. Now which value we need? We want 4, but here we have 16, we don't want that one. We want 5, here we have 8, this one also we don't want. Next we want 5, but we have 4, okay, we will take this one, so make it as a 1 and subtract that 4 here. And finally what we want? 1. Here what we have? 2, so we don't want this one also, but this one we want. So finally we get answer 37 in decimal, and what we get, that is in binary 1 0 0 1 0 1. It is so this is we converted decimal to binary. Okay, now I am giving 2 homeworks to you guys. As a homework, you do these problems and answer, you comment me. Okay, so I am giving 84. You convert this decimal to binary number and comment me. And I am giving one more, that is 65, which is decimal number. You convert this one